Hi everyone, welcome back to Celeb Talkies. The beautiful and talented actress Trisha Khalid has just been gifted a brand new luxury car by none other than her boyfriend. According to online reports, the man behind the lavish gift is none other than Kevin Woods, Trisha's US-based boyfriend. Fans have been buzzing since the photos dropped, with some congratulating her and others asking, "Where can I find my own Kevin?" What do you think of this grand gesture? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest celebrity update and gossip. See you on the next one. Bye.